A crooked cut doesn't wait for a good time either, and neither should you. Whether it's fine woodworking, framing, or crown molding that needs to line up perfectly, having the right miter saw makes all the difference. Today we're counting down the 5 best compound miter saws on the market, the ones that actually deliver precision when it matters most. Let's get into it. Number 1 is the DEWALT DWS780 compound miter saw. For professionals who need accuracy and durability in equal measure, the DEWALT DWS780 delivers on both fronts. This 12-inch sliding compound miter saw is powered by a robust 15-amp motor spinning at 3,800 revolutions per minute, giving you the muscle to handle everything from fine woodworking to framing and deck building without hesitation. What really sets the saw apart is the XPS LED shadowline technology, which projects a laser-like shadow directly onto the material for precise cut alignment, and unlike traditional laser guides, it doesn't need recalibrating over time. The tall sliding fences support crown molding up to 7.5 inches nested, and the adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate with 10 positive stops keeps every angle accurate and repeatable. At just 58 pounds, it's compact enough for job site transport while still delivering industry-leading cut capacities. A trusted, versatile choice for contractors and cabinet makers alike. Number 2 is the Makita LS1019L 10-inch compound miter saw. Makita packs serious cutting capacity into a surprisingly compact frame with the LS1019L. This 10-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw offers crown molding capacity that rivals many 12-inch saws, cutting up to 6 5/8 inches nested, all while staying the most compact design in its class. The linear ball bearing system is engineered to deliver dead-on accurate cuts, and the innovative direct drive gearbox increases vertical cutting capacity to 5 1/4 inches. A unique 2-steel rail sliding system reduces the saw's footprint, letting you operate flush against a wall, a huge advantage in tight shops or job sites. Powered by a 15-amp direct drive motor with soft start, this saw delivers smoother startups and consistent power with no belts to slip. At just 57.9 pounds, it's genuinely portable without sacrificing performance, making it ideal for carpenters on the move. Number 3 is the Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw. Precision and portability come together nicely in this second-generation Metabo HPT saw. A powerful 15-amp motor delivers up to 5,000 revolutions per minute no-load speed, giving you fast, effortless cuts across a wide range of woodworking projects, while the large 10-inch table provides excellent material support. The miter angle range stretches from 0.52 degrees left and right, with an adjustable bevel range up to 45 degrees left, offering real flexibility for detailed work. The vice clamping system locks the workpiece securely in place, adding both safety and precision to every cut. At just 24 pounds, this is one of the lightest saws in its class, making it easy to transport between job sites or tuck away in a home workshop. Backed by Metabo HPT's 5-year warranty, it's a dependable pick built on Japanese engineering. Number 4 is the DOVAMAN updated 10-inch sliding miter saw. If versatility across materials is your priority, the DOVAMAN sliding miter saw is worth a close look. It ships with two 40-tooth and one 48-tooth TCT blades, and a dual-speed setting of 5,000 revolutions per minute and 3,200 revolutions per minute lets you dial in precise cuts across wood, PVC, and soft metals, a genuinely useful feature for mixed material projects. The 13-inch sliding rail combined with extendable side tables gives you a wide cutting range up to 4 by 13 inches, accommodating larger workpieces than many saws in this category. The ambidextrous design makes it comfortable for both left and right-handed users, while the built-in laser guide adds precision for detailed cuts. Powered by a 15-amp pure copper motor, it's built for efficiency and reduced energy consumption, making it a solid choice for professionals and DIYers who need flexibility across different materials. Number 5 is the BOSCH CM10GD compact miter saw. Rounding out the list is a saw built for tight spaces without compromising on cutting control. The BOSCH CM10GD uses the brand's exclusive axial glide system, allowing for wider crosscuts and better alignment while eliminating the need for a traditional sliding rail, taking up to 10 inches less workspace than a slide miter saw. A 15-amp motor delivers 4,800 no-load RPM, giving you plenty of power for precise cuts at any angle. Large, upfront metal bevel controls and square lock precision fences make adjustments quick and easy, while the crown chop block secures the head in place for maximum chop capacity on upright base molding and nested crown. The ergonomic ambidextrous trigger handle adds comfort for all-day use, making this compact BOSCH saw a smart pick for anyone working in tight quarters. That's our countdown of the 5 best compound miter saws out there. Whether you need portability, raw power, or dead-on accuracy,